Let's Go Camping by Jill McDonald. We're going on a camping trip. We'll sleep out in nature under the sparkling stars. Would you like to come along? Grab your backpack and let's go. Will you stay in a tent or a camper? A tent is made out of cloth and it is held up by poles. A camper is like a very small home on wheels. It might even have a kitchen and a bathroom. You'll need some camping gear to make sure you're warm, dry, and safe. What will you bring on your trip? You can camp in a forest, a desert, a field, your backyard, or even on the beach. Where would you like to camp? Do you have comfy shoes on? You might walk through nature to find the perfect camping spot. This is called hiking. I wonder what we'll discover if we follow this trail. Splash! It's a lake, a perfect place to swim and cool off. Canoeing is a great way to explore the water. Hop in and help paddle. If you camp in a forest, you'll see lots of different plants. Can you point to the trees, ferns, grass, and flowers? Crackle. Are you hungry? Dinner tastes great when it's cooked over a campfire. You can roast marshmallows for dessert. Do you know any campfire songs? When the sun sets at night and the sky is dark, look up. You'll see lots of stars. Yawn. Zip. It's been a big day, and it's time to sleep. You can snuggle into a sleeping bag to stay warm all night. You'll hear lots of nighttime noises when you're camping. Whoo, croak, chirp, whoosh, squeak. Do you know what's making all these sounds? Camping has been fun, but it's time to tidy up and head home. Where will you camp next? The end.